to this week's assembly! Today I'll be sharing some of the things I've been doing for the past month at home. But without further ado, let's go!
I eat a lot.
Lila, come here! Lila! Lila! Jules de Bancourt. Jules de Bancourt. Il est français. So those were some of the things I've been doing at home. I hope you will all continue enjoying your times with your families. Have a great rest of your week, my friends.
Alright, so I was asked to make a video outlining what I did this weekend. So, here's what I did this weekend. It's over for you, Spider-Man! Avada Kedavra! Swish and flick! Hagrid!
Bobbin to start. High score, 67. Bobbin. Twist it.
No.
Laugh it up, Buzzball. Score, 1.
Yes!
I'm so bored!
Oh man, that's a good one. So, tell me, baby made Deadpool, what were your plans for Easter? No way, really? Man, I wish I had friends as cool as you. And then we got the big bear, and the big dog that's not as big as the big bear, but we still call you that, so your ego is justified. How are you? Why, I'm not doing too bad, thanks for asking. What's that? Say that to my face, you ugly... I'm sorry it seemed like that. Anyway, Big Bear. Big Bear. Big Bear. Big Bear. Big Bear. I know you don't have the neck muscles and the bones to keep your head still, but if you like me, don't move a muscle. Thanks, man. So, overall, I'd say this weekend was pretty... excellent.
Hi everyone. I know last week we had a brief assembly where we had a great welcome back message from our prefects. I wanted to thank them for all their creativity and their fun with that. I want to take a minute to say welcome back to you as well. I know we're in the midst of some challenging times and we're enduring things that we never thought we'd have to endure. I'm missing many things. I'm missing being able to connect with distant family, my friends. I'm missing walking into GNS and enjoying the connections and the feel of being greeted by people and students and just that sense of community that we have. I'm also wearing this jersey right now because I'm missing being able to connect and follow sports. But even with all of this, I'm so impressed and proud of you all with your efforts in working through our Go platform. We appreciate your resilience, your engagement, and your positivity as you moved into this new type of learning. Just a quick reminder to please fill out that survey we sent last week so you can let us know what's working and maybe what modifications we might need to make. Finally, I hope you have a great rest of your week. Please stay safe and continue to take care of yourself and one another. And I hope to see you soon.
Hi, this is Miss Coll. I just wanted to pop in to say I hope that you are doing really well. I know it is a wild time, so I'm with you. My thoughts are with you. And in saying all of that, I know that we're also wondering how we can serve those in our community and a little bit about service. So Jessica, Sewell, and I have put together a fun kind of challenge task for you, essentially like a self-care and service bingo. So we're going to launch that today. You should have access to it soon. And essentially things on there are giving you ideas of how you can serve both yourself and serve others. So hopefully you enjoy that, and there'll be more information coming on that. Please reach out if you need me. I am doing a service meet through Google Meet every Wednesday during your lunch hour. I know it's a little bit tough in the senior school with many of your home forms learning during lunch, but I'm available to check in then, and you can also write me if you have any other questions or need to create a time to meet. But look forward to seeing how you do on this self-care and service bingo, and hopefully we will be able to, even if it's just through video call, see each other soon. Take care.